Hi everybody, support me by subscribing to the channel by click the subscribe button and then click the bell button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you. Hello everyone, how's it going? I am good, and you? I am Amin and welcome to Arabic Standard Fusha classes. Today we will talk about the letter Alef. Alef, and it's the first letter of the Arabic language alphabets. We will talk about how to write it and how to spell it perfectly. But before we start, I want to say hi to one of my subscribers. The name of her is Hafsa. Hi Hafsa, how are you? I hope you are doing well. And you can write your name below at the comment section if you want me to say to you hi in any of my next videos. So let's start. Hello everyone. This is the letter Alef. It contains from two parts. This part, the stick, and this part, the Hamza. Hamza and the stick. Hamza and the stick. So let's write it. We will start writing of the stick from top to bottom like this. After that, we will put the Hamza, half of circle, then this part. It's simple. It's Hamza and Alef, Hamza and stick, and it's like 3 simple steps. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think I also need to practice. So, this is the letter Alef. It's very simple. Look. This is the 4th time. Stick and small Hamza. This is Alef. Alef. So, as you saw everybody, the letter Alef is very simple. It contains from one long stick and Hamza. Hamza. So this is our class for today. And I want you to check all of my playlists because I have a playlist for spoken and a playlist for standard Fusha Arabic. So check my 7 playlists and put your comment in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Salam. Hi everybody, support me by subscribing to the channel by click the subscribe button and then click the bell button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you.